Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to solve an easy string problem. Well, basically they are asking us to compare two long integers. The size of these integers it's going to be up to 1 million digits. So let's see how we can solve it. They are gonna give us two numbers, a and b, and we have to print what is the relation between a and b. In this case is lower, greater, and equal. It will also contain leading zeros. So let's see how we can solve it. First of all, we know that we have to read them as a string. So it's going to be first, we have to read them as strings, and we are gonna remove the leading zeros. What we are gonna do is we're gonna have an iterator here, and we're gonna continue until we don't find a zero. So at this point we know where the number starts, and in order that two numbers are equal, the number of digits must be the same. In other cases that the number of digits is greater than the other, so we know that it's greater, and the opposite it works. So if the number of digits are equal, then we have to iterate over all digits until we find a greater or lower. Otherwise we know that the number is equal. This is an easy problem, so let's coding. Okay, first of all we're gonna read the two numbers. Let's read a and b, and we're gonna have the iterator for e and the iterator for b. So we're gonna add until we don't find a zero. So we're gonna add 1 every time, and we're gonna do the same for the b. Remember that these are characters, so this is why we are enclosing the zero with simple quotes. So okay, this is j. So let's print our solution. If the size after removing the leading zeros, it's equal to b after removing leading zeros, we're gonna do the for. We're gonna iterate until we find a different digit, otherwise we're gonna print that they are equal. So let's place it. If a is greater than b, we're gonna print greater than, and we're gonna check if it's lower, we're gonna print lower than, and we're gonna stop the program here. And after the for loop, we're gonna print that they are equal in case the program didn't stop, and otherwise we're gonna check the same, but if it's lower, we're gonna print lower than, and otherwise we know that it's going to be greater than. So let's check if this works. Okay, let's see what is happening. Okay, this is happening. Okay, let's check the solution. Okay, it's running, so let's refresh. Done. Okay, if you have any question about this problem or any other, please feel free to comment. Thank you.